Hey, hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to earn full bachelor's degrees as quickly as 3 months with no outside transfer credits, no sophia.org, no study.com, no CLEP exams. You can literally do this all through respected universities. And if you're wondering, like, how in the world is this possible? That's what I'm going to walk you through today. And the reason I'm sharing this video is because I've had students comment on past videos I've done. For example, I did an interview with Maverick here a little while ago, and he earned his bachelor's degree in 3 months, and Herbert earned his bachelor's in 4 months and his master's in 62 days. And I'll post stories like this on my YouTube channel, and people will then email me and say, "Hey Ryan, I saw that video you did with whoever, and I was wondering how many transfer credits did they earn from Sophia and from study.com?" And I'll email back and I'll say 0. They didn't use any transfer credits. And people will go, "What are you talking about? Like, that's how you accelerate these degrees, right?" The answer is wrong. That is one way to accelerate degrees, but there is, in my opinion, a better way to accelerate degrees, and that's what I'm going to walk you through in this video. Now, if you're wondering what the heck is sophia.org or study.com or CLEP exams or StraighterLine or these outside resources where people are earning college credits, well, they're basically third-party companies. As you can see here, Sophia Learning is an example, where you go and subscribe. For example, Sophia's $99 a month, and then you can take college level courses through them and then transfer those later to a university. The same goes for study.com. Basically, you subscribe, take classes through them. CLEP exams have been around a long time. StraighterLine's been around for a long time. There are a bunch of different ways to earn college credits outside of the university. Well, here's the thing. A lot of people will see these and be like, "Oh my gosh, Sophia's $99 a month. That's amazing. I'm going to save so much money with my degree." And they'll go do these for the price or for the speed, not knowing that you can get degrees for free, like 0 money out of pocket, if you do things properly and you don't need these third-party credits. Now, I do think these resources can be good if used properly, but you can do it with 0. And most students that work with me don't use these resources at all. It's just going to depend on the student and the situation. I think a lot of people see these online tools where they can earn college credits and they abuse them and they take way too many classes through these resources, and it can hurt you later. Now, if you're wondering how in the world does it hurt you later, let me give you some examples. First off, not all credits are created equal. About 1,000 schools will accept Sophia credits in some form or another. Lots of them have caps on which types of credits they'll accept from these resources, but there are about 4,000 schools in the country, which means like 3/4 of schools don't like credits like this, and they're not going to accept them. So what happens is sometimes students will go get a bunch of these credits in their undergrads and then go to try to transfer into their dream school for a master's degree, or they want to go get a doctorate degree, and they get rejected because there are too many of these types of credits on their transcripts. That's something you got to be aware of. Now, another mistake students make is they'll take these types of credits and they'll use them too heavily, and they'll end up having to get like a liberal studies major or a liberal arts major or a general studies major, basically majors that are really, really flexible with elective credit. What happens is students will get a bunch of these outside credits, transfer them in as electives, and then just do the bare minimum at a university. Well, then you end up with one of those majors, which those majors generally make you less money throughout your career, which can hurt you. You want to choose the job you want and then get the degree that's going to get you that job. And it's always going to depend on the student and the situation. Now, another prediction I have is some of these resources don't proctor their exams. Well, what happens is we have AI flooding the internet, and it's becoming way, way easier to cheat your way through these types of courses. And if you're watching this video thinking, "Sweet, I'm going to go do this. I'm going to go cheat my way through these courses," what's going to happen is it devalues these types of credits even more, and then less schools accept them, or the schools that do gain a worse reputation. It's one of those classic, you get what you pay for, or you get the effort that you put in. But if you prep properly and you use good strategy, You can earn full degrees without any of these transfer credits, and it's just cleaner. Now, let me walk you through how to do that. I'm going to give you 3 steps that you need to follow to be able to do this in months, not years, without any outside transfer credits. Step 1 is you need to find competency-based education programs. And I'm not just saying go to these programs and you'll get your degree faster in months and not years. Yes, you'll get them faster, but there's some strategy you need to add to the mix as well, which we're going to get into. But you're going to find competency-based education programs. If you're thinking, what the heck does that mean? It essentially means college programs that are structured to give you credit when you prove knowledge. I've learned what you're trying to teach me. I'm going to prove it to you. And then they give you credit for the class. And some of these are structured where you can just test out of classes. Some of these are structured where you do projects and assignments or write essays, things like that. People don't realize this, but the traditional cycle of learning, we're talking textbooks and lesson plans and lectures and study guides and all the things that we hate about college. We've been taught like, this is how you learn. This is how you learn. It's how schools teach us. It's not the most efficient way to learn. So if we get into these competency-based education programs, guess what? You can learn on your own. You don't need to go through this traditional cycle of learning that we're all used to. So degrees with no homework, yes, please. Now, let me give you some examples of these schools. Now, I'm going to give you a bad example first. This is called University of Phoenix, and I want to give you this bad example because you're going to hit the internet and search for competency-based programs, and you're going to find people advertising competency-based programs that are not as they seem. If we scroll down, you're going to see traditional PACE is 1 5 to 6 week course at a time with University of Phoenix traditional programs, and a flexible or a competency-based program is about 4 months to complete 4 courses. So you're like 1 course a month. So 40 classes is a bachelor's degree, about, give or take. 40 classes is a bachelor's degree. Well, 1 course a month, that puts you at 40 weeks. That's like 8 months faster than 4 years to get a degree. Kind of cool, but it's not that great. So you want to make sure you avoid schools like this that are capping you at how fast you can accelerate. So that's a big, big red flag if they have a limit for how many classes you can get through. Now, let me give you some good examples. This first school I want to show you is called Western Governors University. They've been around since before Google. And as you can see here, they have a bunch of degrees, both bachelor's and master's degrees to choose from. If we filter, they've got a bunch of business degrees, a bunch of education degrees. They are the king of competency-based or self-paced technology degrees. Tech degrees are really hot right now, and they're high-paying as well. Health and nursing, and there are tons of degrees to choose from. They're all fully self-paced. And at this particular school, they have 6-month semesters, and they charge just under $4,000 every 6 months. Well, there's no cap on how fast you can go. So if you go get a degree in 6 months, the entire degree costs $4,000. And if you're thinking, Ryan, that costs more than sophia.org. Well, you go get your grants and you go get scholarships and you bring those in and it funds school for you. And then it's free, 0 money out of pocket. Now, this is important with this school. They offer what is called flat rate tuition, which means $4,000 for 6 months. That's actually the second thing I wanted to talk about. You do want to make sure that the schools you're choosing offer flat rate tuition, because that means if you graduate faster, you pay less because you're paying for how long it takes. Instead of, a lot of schools will say, sure, you can earn the credits as fast as you can or as fast as you want, but we charge $400 per credit hour, and essentially you're paying for 4 years of school, even if it takes you 6 months, right? That's not cool. Like, I don't want to pay for 4 years if it only took me 6 months. It's not fair. Flat rate tuition is key. Now, another good example, University of Maine at Presque Isle. They have what are called these Your Pace programs. And as you can see, they have a whole bunch of degrees to choose from. These are, if I showed you Western Governors University, they're more like pass the exam, get credit for the class. University of Maine at Presque Isle is more writing heavy. You're going to write more essays and do more projects and things like that. So it's going to depend on the type of student. Another example is called University of Massachusetts Global. They have these MyPath programs. They're fully competency-based, self-paced. This is actually one of the cheapest schools in the world. They charge like $3,200 every 6 months. If you get your degree in 6 months, it's $3,200 for your entire bachelor's degree, which is unheard of. That's cheaper than the University of the People, who market free bachelor's degrees. So you got schools marketing free bachelor's degrees. This is actually cheaper if you do it fast enough. Now, if we scroll down here, they have an associate's degree, some bachelor's degrees, and a master's degree, and they're mostly business or tech-based. So if you're into business or tech, you can come filter through here and find a degree that's a good fit. The last school I want to show you, then we'll get into the next hack that you need to graduate this fast. The last school is called Purdue University Global, and they offer what are called these Excel track programs. Again, fully self-paced. They're about $12,000 a year, so a little more expensive, but they have smaller semesters. So if you go graduate in 4 or 5 months, it's a lot cheaper. And I have seen 4 to 5 month degrees with 0 transfer credits from Purdue Global. If we look here, they have analytics, business admin, cloud computing, criminal justice, cybersecurity, healthcare administration, IT, and nursing. And then they've got some master's degrees to choose from as well. Now, the third step I want to share with you is something that I call going rogue, okay? Going rogue essentially means don't do it the school's way. Take off and do it your own way. When the school wants you to learn something, you don't have to use their traditional cycle of learning to actually learn those things. You can figure out what you need to learn, and then you can learn those things on your own. For example, we have AI. Let's look at this ChatGPT tool. Really awesome. There's a tool called Tutor Me inside of ChatGPT, and you can basically ask it any question. For example, I'm going to prompt here, teach me quadratic equations, I know nothing. And this tool inside ChatGPT is going to have a back and forth conversation with me, and it's going to teach me quadratic equations. As you can see, it tells me what a quadratic equation is, but I can then say, I don't get it, break it down like I'm 10, and it will make it even more simple. And you essentially are having a back and forth conversation with AI. Learning is so easy. It's so much easier than it used to be. Now, I'm not kidding when I say this. I personally know doctors that use YouTube videos and ChatGPT to perfect their craft and to learn new surgical techniques and stuff like that. The internet is information at our fingertips all the time. It's so easy to learn. We don't need to go through the traditional cycle to be able to learn things. Now, my hope at this point in the video is that you're thinking, oh my gosh, maybe I can do this. And my answer to you is yes, you can do this. Whether it takes you 3 months or 6 months or 9 months or 12 months or 18 months, it doesn't have to take you 5.5 years like it takes most people to earn bachelor's degrees. Now, if you want my help, I have a program called Degree Hacking Academy. I'll leave a link to that down below in the description, or take a quick screenshot, scan the QR code, and tap the link on your phone. But my ultimate hope is, with or without my help, you can save some time because of this video. I hope you go away with some hope. Like and subscribe. Use that link down below if you'd like my help. I will talk to you in the next video.